So Cap looks like he's set. I think they got it brought home. Wifey's going for the toss, but and she's got them on. They look good. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramps. And today we are visiting Black Point. Oh, what happened there? The boat kicked around. Wifey's trying to pull it back in. That was a strange one. So she goes for the step off, kicks it out. And as she kicks it out, the boat's moving around. And now the current's got him. I can't tell if he's in gear or not. Something's definitely going on. And I thought they had it, but they have lost it. Look out, somebody behind you as well. My man was coming in on the dock and didn't expect that. Cap's back at the helm, though. Gonna try and bring it back around. That was a strange setup. It almost looked like the boat was in gear, but they were on the dock and it wasn't pulling away before, so I don't think that's the case. I just think the boat slid off the dock far enough that the wind and current ripped it. I mean, you can see in the background, the wind is moving today, so it doesn't take much, just the boat to get moving in the right direction, and I think that's what happened, but pulling it in, and we're going to do a little light love tap on the dock, but we should be good to go from here. So our crew's going to try and fight the wind and current to get in. Got Wifey in the bow, trying to get the lines ready. And she's walking the gunnel, decides to step down wisely. Goes for the open-ended toss. You're not catching anything like that. And she's going to bring it back in. We got somebody on the dock who'll go for the assist. Miss number 2. And third time's a charm. Oh, Cap gives a little brake check. Almost sends our lady who was in the bow to the floor. But we're going to have to move the other line and fender from port to starboard. But this crew should get it on from here. Our crew's making their approach. Captain is methodically trying to decide which dock he would like to hit. Well, pull up on. Let's not say hit. We don't want to jinx him that bad. So we got fenders out. We're going to fight the wind and current a little bit to try and get over here. Cap taking the side console approach. Oh, a little brake check action. That's going to kick this vessel right back off the dock. He's picked a dock where somebody's already at, too, so he's working with limited space. And we're going to call that miss number 1. So he's going to sit back down. We've got a boat hook in the bow of the boat, so really he's just got to get close enough where our lady in the bow can grab something on the dock. So he's going to do the full Black Point U-turn and try and get this one reset. Now, the question is, will they try and battle the wind and current again? They don't have a whole lot of options here, though. I mean, it's kind of busy. So he's kind of analyzing his approach, trying to decide what his best option is. So Cap's decided to switch docks. We're still going to be battling the wind and current as we try and make our approach. Coming in, we got the boat hook out. See if our lady can grab something on the dock. She misses on the bow. We've got a stern line, though. Go for the toss. Oh, he brake checks hard back into the dock. Our girl's going for the stretch, and she gets it on. And we'll use the boat hook with a little assist. And we should be able to pull this one up from here. Crew's making their approach. Gonna go for the easy dock. One of the few people today that we've seen try this. And he's gonna miss on the angle, though. The wind and current's gonna push him before he can get there. He's gonna have to brake check out of it and try again. But this just shows you the light brake check, and look at how far back they've rolled with the wind and current. So he's going to try and turn back into this. Puts it back into 4 gear, and let's see if he chooses to go to the same dock or if we're going to try a different approach. So we're going to pass the dock we were on. We're definitely going to try a different spot. You're going to go back. No, we're still going to try and fight the wind and current. I thought he was going to go back after the original dock on his first attempt he tried. And we get somebody off here. But they push it off. Uh-oh. He's going to pull them. They're going to go vertical on this dock. And Cap's going to have to find a way to get this one around. Here, that wind and current's just going to pull him back toward the other dock. My man's got the tug-of-war going on the lines. Cap's going to have to bring it around. He's telling them to swing the bow. There we go. Two lines on the dock now. And he should be able to get him pulled over. It's always fun to watch this one because he's got so much slack on the stern. You're trying to figure it out as you're operating with 2 hands. How do I pull that slack in? But looks like they got it, and they should be good. So Cap's giving some directions here. We've got our man standing in the bow. Better hang on. Cap's had a little bit of a heavy throttle hand. Oh, see the brake check there? My man almost goes over the front. Looks back at Cap like, what are you doing, bro? They're gonna brake check it. Trying to get the stern line set up. My man's gonna sit back and hold on to the tower this time. Nope, we're gonna walk it back up front. But hang on. Wifey stands up in the back too. Oh, Cap's like, sit down. And he guns it. We're coming in hot on the dock this time. He's trying to determine where he wants to put this thing, it looks like. So here we go on final approach. Going for the easier port side dock. Hopefully the wind and current will just lightly push him in and they'll be okay. And let's hope Cap doesn't have a heavy throttle hand right here. My man's on the bow. And we'll get the step off and they're good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Boats vs. Haulover channel, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.